Oh Lord, this is a hot mess. What is that? What is that? Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm actually nervous filming this because it's been forever. As you guys can tell, like, my space has changed. A lot has changed, but stay tuned to, I think you should watch my Where Have I Been video first before this, makeup look and all that. But I just wanted to say thank you all for sticking with me so far. I really appreciate the love, and I don't want to talk too much, but let's get into this video. This is going to be a simple glam look. Let's get into this video. What I'm going to do first is I will do my brows off camera because I don't want this video to be too long, and then we'll go from there. All right, welcome back. So I did one of my eyes just because I didn't want this video to be too long, because you guys know I can ramble and talk all day if I'm allowed to. So I wanted to just do one of the eyes first. We can do this one together. I actually haven't sat down to film in forever, so bear with me. So I just used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't know, I love that concealer. I used the shade Honey. Not Horny. I used the shade Honey. And I don't know, I just love it. It gives me it's very light though, but I kind of like my under eyes light. And it's so creamy, basically acts as a base. So next I'm going to be using Danessa Myricks what is this, Color Fix. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. I'm using this in Wild Orchid, and I will be using Journey as well. Journey is like a, what they call this, it's like a neon purple. Yeah. I have been procrastinating and basically looking for every excuse not to film, and I'm like, you know what, you need to get your big girl panties up and just go with it, okay? I am not necessarily happy with my space, but this is what I have for now, and I have to make do with it. So next I'm going to be using these flakes. They are literally like glitter flakes from, I think it's Kaima Cosmetics. So basically they're just glitter flakes. Very pretty. They're very metallic. I don't know if you can tell, but they're so metallic with this. So I have the Adele 120. They're not wispies, they're 120. I don't know how I feel about the lashes because you guys know I like drama, so the fact that I am not putting on dramatic lashes kind of feels weird, but I do want the eyes to be the focus, so I don't want the lashes to take that out. See, English is not my first language, okay? So they can be very messy, guys, so you want to be very careful because it can. But it is so pretty, guys. You can actually wear it like this, but you know me, I'm extra. I need to, zhuzh it up. I'm so clumsy today. Am I the only one that don't really spend so much money on mascaras? I could care less about mascaras. Maybe because I have lashes already, but it's not like it's one. I wear lashes, fake lashes, so I don't feel the need to spend money on mascaras. Just don't. So I've been loving the Secure the Blur Primer by Patrick Starr, one size. It's amazing. The only thing I don't like is I don't like the packaging, I feel like there's not a lot of product in this. It's so like aired up, like I feel like they filled it with air than product. Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. And then for today's video, I am going to be using Mented Cosmetics. I've never tried this. I wanted to try their stick foundation. This is an M10, so I'm thinking medium 10. And we're gonna see. There, I will be using my beauty blender because anybody got time to wash so many brushes. So I'm gonna press it in. So far I kind of like the coverage. I think it's a medium to full coverage. It is looking a little bit dewy, which I don't mind because I mean I'll set my face anyway. But so far I like it. I feel like as the weather is going, I'm gonna get lighter during the winter time. I feel like it would fit me more. This lighting too is not also helping as well, but I feel like it's pretty close to my complexion, so I can I feel like I don't really need to do too much. Like it's very close to my complexion. We make mistakes, the brows are looking janky as hell, that's part of it, but we move, as they say. Okay. And I like Okay guys, so it was at this point I realized that my video was not going to go as planned with the noise I had. So basically I was just contouring with the Alma Beauty stick and then used the cream blush from Milani. I liked how it looked. I was just going for a dewy look, so I didn't really set my cheeks. I wanted that wet look. I used the RCMA powder and it's amazing. Love that powder so much. I use my highlighter trio from Stila. It's pretty old. I don't really know the name. I also use the Danessa Myricks liquid eyeshadow as well for my under eyes, and then I used my concealer from Too Faced. I also lined my lips with the NYX lip pencil, and then I used the gloss from Nika K, and that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, thank you. I am back. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. I feel like this look is like perfect for a photo shoot, you know, just glowy skin and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to watch the video before this where I just talk about my life and what has been going on with me. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye.